In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view and print a receipt for a recent transfer on your MoneyGram account. Whether you're closely monitoring your finances or just want to keep track of your latest transactions, being able to quickly access and print your MoneyGram receipts is essential. So let's get started on managing those MoneyGram transfers with ease. First things first, we need to log into your MoneyGram account. You can do this by visiting the MoneyGram website from your preferred web browser. Look for the login button, which is typically located at the top right corner of the home page. Once you find it, enter your email address or username followed by your password. If you have multi-factor authentication enabled, you'll need to complete that step as well to securely access your account. And just like that, you're in, ready to view your transaction details. Now that we're logged in, the next step is to navigate to your transaction history. There are typically a couple of options in your account dashboard, either labeled as Transaction History or My Transfers. Locate either of these buttons or tabs and click on it. This will take you to a detailed list of your recent transfers. Each transaction includes useful information such as the amount, date, recipient, and status. So take a moment to review this list and familiarize yourself with your recent activities. The task at hand at this point is to find the specific transfer for which you'd like a receipt. Browse through your list of recent transfers, and once you've found the one you're looking for, take note of it. This is the transaction we're going to work with today, so be sure to select it carefully. With the transaction in sight, look for the option that allows you to either view receipt or print receipt. This option is usually placed alongside other actions related to your transaction details. Click on View Receipt if you simply want to see the digital copy of your receipt on your screen. It's a great way to quickly verify the transaction details, or should you wish to keep a physical record of this transaction, then go ahead and click on the Print Receipt option. Remember, printing the receipt can come in handy, especially if you need it for accounting purposes or to present proof of the transaction to someone else. Ensure your printer is connected and set up properly to avoid any hiccups. And there you have it. Viewing and printing a receipt from your MoneyGram account is that straightforward. With your receipt in hand, you've got one more way to keep your financial activities well organized and transparent. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in navigating your MoneyGram account.